Hello student, in last lecture discuss the find the real part and imaginary part of following function. And now example number 6, f of z equal to sin z. Our question is find the real part, find the real part and imaginary part of following complex function. And our complex function is f of z equal to sin z. Our function is f of z equal to sin z. Step 1, put z equal to z equal to x plus iy in f of z equal to sin z. This is our first step. Put the z equal to x plus iy in complex function f of z equal to sin z. Therefore, f of z equal to sine of z, but we have z is x plus iy. Therefore, sine of x plus iy. f of z equal to in trigonometry function sine of alpha plus beta. This is alpha and this is beta. Formula is sine alpha plus beta. Sine alpha plus beta is sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Here alpha is x and beta is iy. Here alpha is x and beta is iy. Therefore, sine of x plus iy is sin x sin x into here cos beta, but here cos iy rules by plus cos alpha sin beta, but alpha is x, beta is iy. Therefore, cos x into sin iy is clear. Sin x plus iy is sin x into cos iy rules by plus cos x into sin iy is sin alpha plus beta is sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. f of z equal to sin x execute cos iy. Cos iy is written as cos hy. Cos iy is written as cos hy plus cos x execute sin iy is written as sin iy is hy and here multiply I. Sin iy is written as I sin hyperbolic y. f of z equal to sin x into cos hyperbolic y plus first written I cos x into sin hyperbolic y. This is compared with f of z equal to u plus iv is compared with u plus iv. f of z equal to u plus iv. U is real part of z, v is imaginary part of f of z. Therefore, this is our u and this is our v. Therefore, we get real of f of z equal to sin x into cos hy, and imaginary of f of z equal to only cos x into sine hyperbolic y, not with I. Imaginary part of f of z is cos x into sine hyperbolic y. Real part of f of z is sin x cos hyperbolic y. Imaginary of f of z is cos x into sine hyperbolic y. Now, next example, example number 7. Question is, find the real part and imaginary part of following complex function, and it is f of z equal to cos z. First step is put z equal to x plus iy in f of z equal to cos z. Therefore, f of z equal to cos z, but here z is x plus iy. Therefore, cos x plus iy. Then f of z equal to cos of x plus iy means cos alpha plus beta, and formula is cos alpha plus beta is equal to cos alpha into cos beta rules by minus sin alpha into sin beta. Cos alpha plus beta is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Here alpha is x, beta is iy, not only y. Alpha is x, beta is iy. Therefore, cos x plus iy is cos x into cos iy rules by minus sin x into sin iy from this formula. This is done. Cos alpha plus beta is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. F of z equal to cos x is equal cos iy is written as cos hyperbolic y minus sin x into sin iy is written as sin hyperbolic y. Sin iy is written as sin hyperbolic y, and here multiply I. Sin iy is written as I into sin hy. Therefore, f of z equal to cos x into cos hyperbolic y minus I sin x into sin hyperbolic y. Now compare with f of z equal to u plus iv. This is u, this is v. Compare means f of z is u plus iv. This is u plus, but here we have negative, means v is negative sin x sin hy, sorry, minus sin x into sin hy, and this is our v, but sign is negative because form is u plus iv. We get real of f of z equal to cos x into cos hyperbolic y, and imaginary of f of z is sin x into sin hy, but sign is negative, minus sin x into sin hy, which is required real part and which is required imaginary part. Now, next example, it is f of z equal to sin hyperbolic z. Question is, find the real part and imaginary part of f of z equal to sin hyperbolic z. first step is of z equal to x plus iy in f of z equal to sine hz. Therefore, f of z equal to sine hyperbolic z is x plus iy. Now formula sine hyperbolic alpha plus beta. And it is, this is formula of sine alpha plus beta. But we have sine hyperbolic. Both formula are same. Sine hyperbolic alpha plus beta is equal to sine hyperbolic alpha cos hyperbolic beta plus cos hyperbolic alpha into sine hyperbolic beta. Both formula are same. Sine hyperbolic alpha plus beta is sine hyperbolic alpha cos hyperbolic beta rules by plus cos hyperbolic alpha sine hyperbolic beta. Clear? Okay. Now written f of z equal to sine hyperbolic x plus iy. X is alpha, iy is beta. Therefore, f of z equal to sine hyperbolic alpha plus beta is sine hyperbolic x into cos hyperbolic iy plus cos hyperbolic x into sine hyperbolic iy. F of z equal to sine hyperbolic x is equal cos hyperbolic iy is cos y plus cos hyperbolic x is equal sine hyperbolic iy is sine y, but here I. Sine hyperbolic iy is I sine y. Now compare f of z equal to u plus iv. This is u and this is our v, but not included I. Here written I. Only v is cos hyperbolic x sin y. I એની અંદર include કરવાનો નથી because form is u plus iv. Real of f of z equal to sin hx into cos y and imaginary of f of z is equal to cos hx into sin y. Here I not written because v is means imaginary is only cos hx into sin y, not included here I. So which is required real part and this is our imaginary part.